We're going to explain how to check in documents in SharePoint. 1. First, locate the document you want to check in. You'll find it within the SharePoint library where you saved it. 2. Click on the document's name to open it. You might see a checkout option if it's already checked out to you, but we're focusing on the check-in process. 3. Once the document is open, look for a ribbon at the top of the screen. It might be called Document or something similar. Within that ribbon, find a button that says Check In. The exact wording and location might slightly differ depending on your SharePoint version. Or click the Check In button. This will open a new window or a panel, depending on your SharePoint setup. This window often gives you options. You'll almost always be asked for a comment. Write a short explanation of any changes you made. This is extremely important for version control and keeping track of edits. It's helpful to be concise and descriptive, such as corrected typo on page 2, or updated figures for Q3 2024. 6. You'll also likely have options for how you want to check the document in. You might see options like minor edit and major edit, or similar. Minor edits typically suggest small changes that don't significantly alter the document's content, while major edits imply substantial revisions. Choosing the correct type helps maintain a clearer version history. 7. Once you've provided your comment and selected the edit type, if applicable, click the OK or Check-in button to finalize the check-in process. After successfully checking in the document, it will be saved back to the SharePoint library, and it will be available for others to access. If the file was checked out to you and you've completed changes, the file will now be available to others in the library. If it wasn't checked out to you before, the check-in process will still save your changes. That's it. You have successfully checked in your document to SharePoint. Remember that keeping your comments descriptive and choosing the appropriate edit type will keep your SharePoint library organized and easy to manage. These practices help streamline collaboration and improve the overall workflow. The specific steps might change slightly depending on your SharePoint version, but the general process remains consistent across different versions. Always look for the check-in option within the document's interface.